Unit 2C Review for Test Part 2, Question 5. Write the angles in order from smallest to largest. Do I need a protractor? No. Do I have to measure these angles? No. What do I have to know? I have to know that the smallest angle is opposite the smallest side, and the largest angle is across from the biggest side. So, this is the smallest side, this is the middle side, this is the largest side. So, the angles in order from smallest to largest are angle F, angle G, angle H. Write the sides in order from shortest to longest. Well, 78 degrees and 52 degrees make 130 degrees. 78 plus 52 equal 130. 180 is the number of degrees in a triangle, so this has to be 50 degrees. So the shortest side is across from the smallest angle, so QP is the smallest side, QR is the next smallest side, and PR is the longest. Number 7. The lengths of two sides of a triangle are 18 and 31 inches. Find the range of possible lengths for the third side. The third side has to be bigger than the difference between these two. What is that difference? 31 minus 18, that would be 13. The third side has to be bigger than the difference, and it has to be smaller than the sum. Bigger than the difference, smaller than the sum. Find the measure of each angle in the figure. What do we have? We have x plus 2, we have 2x minus 5, we have 3x plus 9. Is this a question about sides, or is this a question about angles? This is a question about angles. What do we know? Well, we know that the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle C equal 180 degrees. That's all we know. The measure of angle A is x plus 2. The measure of angle B is 2x minus 5. The measure of angle C is 3x plus 9 equals 180 degrees. How do I know that? That's by substitution. Now, I can combine like terms. So, a term has the same variable raised to the same exponent. So that gives me x plus 2x plus 3x plus 2 minus 5 plus 9 equals 180 degrees. X plus 2x, that's 3x, plus 3x is 6x. 2 plus 9 is 11, minus 5 is plus 6. That equals 180 degrees. Well, I shall subtract 6 from each side. That gives me plus 6 minus 6 is 0. That gives me 6x equals 174. If 6x equals 174, I can divide both sides by 6, and what will I get? 174 divided by 6, x equals 29 degrees. Am I done? What was the question? The question was the measure of each angle in the figure. Well, the measure of angle A is x plus 2, so that's 31 degrees. The measure of angle B is 2x minus 5. 38 minus 5 is 33 degrees. And 3x plus 9 is 99 minus 96 degrees. Let's see whether I'm correct. How can I check? 31 plus 33 plus 96, what does that add up to? 4 and 6 is 10, carry 1. Whoa! This can't be right. 2x, this is not right because this is 160, and that's not equal to 180 degrees, but I see my mistake. 2x minus 5, let's do this again with a calculator. 2 times 29 is 58 minus 5 is 53 degrees. I was off by 20 degrees, so my answers are 31, 53, and 96 degrees. 31, 53, and 96 degrees. One more before we're done. Find the measure of YXW. This is easy peasy. The measure of YXW is equal to the sum of these two angles, the remote interior angles. Remember, this is an exterior angle. So I could figure out this, subtract from 180 and get this, but it's so much easier just to say 2 plus 3 is 5, 6 plus 7 is 13. We're done.